Michigan spring, or what do the seagulls bring? Though their bird song is not very long, the seagulls have finally sung, and the Michigan spring has sprung. It is a tradition of old in this part of the world. When Michigan weather is cold and dull, we wait for the announcement from the gull. And when they finally return to their habitats, we know to put away our winter coats and hats. Until then, nobody dares, and most dress like big old fat bears. All seagulls are very nice. They are the true birds of the paradise. Oh yes, that is why their favorite location is often wherever you vacation. They are very, very social birds, and they like to chit-chat in herds. They get a tingle when they mingle, but they love people too. Especially if they have a snack or two. They enjoy music and rhyme. They listen to it all the time. And when you see them prance, they're actually doing a little dance. They are all extremely smart. Some even dabble in pebble art. Of course, they really love to sail, traveling on ships all around the world without a fail. It is that they are the happy kittens of the sea, and the lakes and oceans are simply their cup of tea. But by far, their favorite little thing is cheerfully announcing spring.